Hi.
Hi.
Today.
Yeah? It's funny because today.
We're making pancakes. This is our mixture.
Whoa! A Nigella recipe.
And that's our hot pan with hot oil.
Mm.
And this is, don't touch it. This is the spatula.
Viennetta here. Oh yeah, there's the spatula. Lick it.
We gotta make you the pancakes with it.
I don't care.
That's hot.
No.
It's hot and hot that oil.
Yeah.
Okay, we're going to.
Bye. We need to create a nice pancake atmosphere as well.
Shall we create one each?
Yes.
Are you capable of doing it with one hand?
Yeah.
Okay. Ooh. Oh, okay.
That's Helen's
That's my
pancake.
pancake. Oh. Okay.
That's my pancake.
That's all you're having.
Right. Okay. Oh. There's a proportion size variance here.
It's fine, it's like our height.
Yeah. In fact, let's go to the mirror right now and look at our height difference. See, actually, we have done a very clever pancake thing.
It was intentional.
It was very. This is my wife's pajamas.
Because like I actually forgot my pajamas.
So she had to improvise.
Improvisation.
See, we're actually really clever.
Yeah?
I know people, a lot of people think we're really dumb, but we're actually the most cleverest people here.
The most cleverest people. This is my wifey's pajamas.
I'm repping all the Disney princesses.
Like, outfit of the day, she's got like a Disney princess jumper and it's like really fluffy. Love heart pants and like fluffy slippers.
Yeah.
There's like a fluffy theme.
Like, I'm comfy.
Update, she's got ginger hair since the last video.
I'm a ginger minger.
Well, let's check the pancakes. Ah!
No!
No! It's gone brown! Okay.
I'll do it. Should we name them?
Oh, yeah. No, because I don't eat it.
I'm naming Gary. No! I can think of better than that.
If you had like a child, you couldn't do that when you're naming it at like. Oh, I can't flip my pancake.
I've named mine. It's Conrad. What's yours?
It's weird.
Are you not gonna make a name for yours?
I'll get emotionally. I'll flip your pancake.
Oh my god, mine's got a little tumour.
Aww. It's like a dinosaur.
Looks like a
popping out
hand
an egg.
waving.
It's like a dinosaur popping out an egg.
Yeah, it looks like a chicken.
Uh-oh. Oh, it's cool. I fixed it.
Oh my god, it looks like a seashell now.
Oh, mine just looks like.
Yours look like an egg.
Yeah, mine just looks like. I don't know. A brain.
A brain.
Kind of looks like a face. Look, 2 eyes and a sad face.
It looks like.
And it looks like a sad,
Looks
unimpressed
like
face.
alien turd.
That's what it is. I'm still going to eat it. I have no shame.
Oh!
Hurry up. Hungry Hanlen.
Oh, actually, I was going to say we should show them the pancake extras, but we can wait till we decorate our like the spread.
Okay, yeah. It will be revealed in about 30 seconds.
Yeah, be patient, you cunts. Oh, this is like a throwback to our cookies video.
Oh!
That means that we have to get Keith in it. Keith! Right, we have to go to the living room and see him. That's my room. Hi!
Hi, babe.
Do you want a pancake?
Extend your life.
Hi, babe. Right. Sorry, what was you saying?
Do you want a pancake?
Have you got any spare?
Yeah. Do you want a chocolate spread on it or lemon juice?
Lemon juice.
Okay, coming up. Got a blast.
All right, baby.
Bye. No, we can call it like something pancake related. And Keith, like the cookies one.
Starring Keith.
Yeah.
It looks like I've made scallops from Gordon Ramsay on Hell's Kitchen.
Maybe you have. See, it just goes to show how clever we are.
That was your pancake.
Yeah, that one was mine. And this one is the Maggie.
Mine looks like a scallop. Oh, no it doesn't.
Oh.
No, it looks like a diarrhea spot.
I think it is a diarrhea.
That's kind of
We'll turn it off later. How much more mix is it? Well, there's so much more mix. We gonna be here all night.
I might try one with lemon on.
Yeah, I love lemon, me.
Lemon.
Lemon. Limon.
Lemon. Cat lemon.
Yes. I mean, lemon things. Intellectual input there.
Ah, it's hot.
It is hot. Ouch! Why are you hurting us, Conrad?
We just. I just want to eat my pancake.
You have to name yours.
What's my
Oh, I'll eat the little tumour.
It's Jeff. Jeff is lemony.
Bye, Jeff.
Jeff is citrusy.
Sorry, Jeff.
I'm not sorry. I hate Jeff.
Oh. It's hot.
It's hot and lemony.
I like it.
I think it's lemony because I put lemon juice on it.
This is the best part of the video.
I'll film you eating yours.
This is the last part of Conrad.
Oh no, I'm gonna drop it. Ah!